Hey guys, welcome to another 9 to 5 Dividend Investing video. I am Mike, and in today's video, we're going to be going over my second favorite video that we do every month, my dividend stock purchases for the month of February 2020. So you guys saw my dividends. You now get to see the stocks that I purchased. I started some new positions and I added to some old positions, and we're going to be going over all those purchases today. So guys, stay here. I am not a licensed professional. If you need help investing in the stock market, please seek a licensed professional. And always remember, like, subscribe, and comment down below. Really appreciate it. So let's get into it. So guys, let's get started. February 3rd, 2020, we purchased 4 shares of A.O. Smith with a purchase price of $42.93, which brings us to a total of 18.15 shares and a purchase average of $44.69. As you see, we are dollar cost averaging in, trying to buy quality companies at a lower price to lower and dollar cost average in. And I just want to point out that some of these purchases, you're going to see that there are fractional shares. But First Trade, my main platform, this is the main portfolio that I talk about the dividend income and the purchases. In this platform, you cannot buy fractional shares, and these are just the dividends from the stocks getting reinvested back into that particular stock. So when AOS pays me out a dividend, it goes right back to AOS and it purchases fractional shares. That's the only way right now, anyway, that First Trade can purchase fractional shares. So let's keep it going. February 4th, 2020, we purchased SPG or Simon Property Group. That is a Marriott, and I believe a lot of people think that, especially with this virus going around, a lot of people think don't go out, but I think it's the perfect time right now to purchase Simon Property Group. And since I've purchased it on February 4th, the price has gone down more. I will definitely look into purchasing more in March, but we will see. Total amount of shares of 8.19 with a purchase price of on that date of $135.94, lowering my cost basis to $143.96. Also, that date, we purchased an additional 2 shares of GLW or Corning Corporation. I think this company has a bright future. Everything now, phones, iPads, laptops, uses a lot of their glass. A lot of different companies use their glass for different things. Fiber optics use their glass. So with that purchase of 2 shares with GLW brings us to a total of 27.17 shares on a purchase price of done that date of $27.58, lowering or dollar cost averaging in to $29.19. So this is one of the first new stocks that we purchased. Ticker symbol CHD or Church and Dwight. I did talk about Church and Dwight in a previous video, and I will definitely link that video in the description and in a pinned comment. We purchased 3 shares at a purchase price of $75.19. And as you could see, they already paid us out a dividend, so it automatically dollar cost averaged in and lowered our cost basis by 1 penny. Awesome. That's why I love dividend investing. That's why I love reinvesting my dividends, because whether the stock price goes up and down, you're still purchasing a part of a company. When you get times like these that are rough in the stock market, causing the market to go down, you can then purchase more at a cheaper price, also dollar cost averaging in. So guys, let's keep it moving. On February 11th, we purchased ticker symbol CCL or Carnival Cruise Line. We purchased 5 shares at a purchase price of $43.13. During the month, I'll go over it. We did purchase more, so we do have a total of 8 shares now, but and currently our dollar cost average is $41.61. As you could see, we did purchase more during the month of February, and we will definitely check that out in a second. But the reason that we purchased Carnival Cruise Line is because the cruise sector, or any stock that deals with cruises, has been taking a hit from this virus, because eventually when this virus does pass, Carnival Cruise Line will be one of those stocks that people go, wow, this is undervalued, the stock price will drive up again, and people will start going on cruises again and vacation. So let's keep it moving here. On February 20th, I purchased Ally Financial, ticker symbol ALLY. I purchased 8 shares at $29.11. Not only am I a customer of Ally Financial, but I do have their high yield savings accounts, which we all know that the Fed did cut the interest rate, and the savings account that Ally, I'm sure, shortly will be lowered. And I did already receive an email to expect that my interest rate for my high yield savings account be lowered. But I do like Ally, I like their customer service, and I do like their recent purchase of CardWorks. CardWorks is a subprime credit card and consumer finance lender. They offer credit cards and loans. So I do like their purchase of CardWorks, and we'll see where it goes, and possibly purchase more Ally Financial down the road. Next up is a company that I've been watching for a while. February 24th, I purchased 2 shares of Hasbro. We all know Hasbro makes toys, makes kids' toys. They also are in the video game business as well. I purchased them at $88.22 a share. And again, like I said, puzzles, games, kids' toys, and I like that they just recently made a deal with Disney to produce more Star Wars toys. So that is always going to be a great income, because with Star Wars toys, you have young kids, you have old kids, and just a ton of people that love these toys. I do like Hasbro's financials, and I do like the fact that toys never go out of style, and parents are always buying their kids new toys. And Hasbro is one of the biggest dealers in toys. So, guys, here is my second purchase in Carnival Cruise Line. It was on February 24th. I purchased 3. That brings the total to 8. I purchased at 39.08. So as you see, we went from 43.13 to 39.08, and our current cost basis is 41.61. Currently, Carnival is trading around $30 a share, and definitely going to buy more. February 27, 2020, I purchased additional shares of Discover Financial. I just purchased 1 share. Purchase price is $68.24, lowering my cost base to $75.47. Brings me a total of 6 shares. We went over Discover Financial in a previous video, and I will link that in the description. Also, February 27th, we purchased additional share of Aflac. We've held Aflac for a while, waiting for Aflac to fall below $50, which they have currently. Plan on purchasing more Aflac. Aflac now currently we own 11.17 shares of Aflac. Pretty good. Purchase price of $46.29 on February 27th, and brings our cost basis down to $48.38. So, guys, this was another new purchase in the month of February. This is a stock I've been waiting to buy. Ticker symbol RTN, or the Raytheon Company. Raytheon will be merging with United Technologies to become Raytheon Technologies, and I believe that once the merger happens, of course, we all know that United Technologies will be splitting into 3, with Carrier, Otis, and United Technologies, with Carrier and Otis being 2 separate companies, which I already own United Technologies, the current as it stands United Technologies. So I'll be getting shares of Carrier and Otis. And now, because I purchased Raytheon, and I believe that every share of Raytheon will be splitting into about 2.2 to 2.3 shares. So I'll be getting shares of the new company, Raytheon Technologies. I purchased only 1 share at $199.99. I'm very excited about this company. This company I'm holding for the long term, collecting this dividend. I believe it's a major airplane parts and military weapons company. I will definitely be purchasing more when the stock price goes down on this one, if it continues to slide down. Here it is, February 27, 2020. More shares of ticker symbol DAL, or Delta Airlines. I currently now have 12.07 shares of Delta Airlines. I purchased this at $49.99, lower dollar cost averaging into, lowering it to $52.99. Currently, like CCL and all the cruise stocks, Delta is having troubles like all the airline stocks, and I am also an owner of ticker symbol LUV, or Southwest Airlines, and look forward to purchasing some of them in March. But like the cruise sector, the airline sector is having a hard time right now, mostly due to the virus. And guys, I believe, firmly believe for that matter, that these are solid companies that will rebound and continue to increase dividends. And that is why I will continue to purchase these solid companies. Delta, Southwest, Carnival, and we could also include Disney in this because Disney has been trending downward. And if it gets into my range, I will be purchasing more Disney, and I definitely will be showing you guys this on the next update video if I purchase Disney. But 2 shares, DAL, Delta Airlines, February 27th. Finally, for the month of February, 1 share of UPS. I own UPS already. I only had 3 shares, but as you can see, now we have 4.05. And I have been waiting for this stock to go below my cost basis to purchase more. I was only able to purchase one because that's all the funds I had. And I do own a lot of stocks. Like I said, I want to have 50 different stocks inside of my first trade portfolio. And I buy them slowly as I can and as I can input more money into them. And guys, this is my strategy for this portfolio. But we all know what UPS does. Delivers packages amongst other things through vehicle, through air, and of course, like all other companies, they are also having a hard time because the deliveries are kind of being halted and people are actually kind of scared to order things. More shares of UPS for me, collecting that dividend, waiting for the stock price to go even lower, probably going to purchase more. So guys, these were my purchases for the month of February 2020. Let me know what you think in the comments section below. Yes, most of the stocks that I've purchased since the time I purchased them in February have gone down even more, which as a long-term investor is exactly what I want. And it gives me an opportunity to purchase even more. This is 9 to 5 dividend investing. Please like, subscribe, share this video. Let me know what you think. Really appreciate the comments. And guys, keep it here for the next video. And always remember, dividend invest.